Welcome to this brief video about the Virtual Data Help Desk being held in conjunction with the first week of the Virtual European Geosciences Union General Assembly 2021 Gather Online. This event is a program of the Earth Science Information Partners, ESIP, the European Geosciences Union, and the American Geophysical Union, with contributions from numerous other organizations. We are excited to bring you this event April 19th through the 23rd, 2021. The Data Help Desk provides researchers with opportunities to engage with informatics experts familiar with their scientific domain and to learn about skills and techniques that will help further their research and to make software and data more open and fair. This slide shows what this looked like in the past at in-person Data Help Desks held in conjunction with scientific meetings. In a virtual world, here is how you can take part. Follow the hashtag DataHelpDesk on Twitter. You can expect to be directed to demos of tools and resources that you can use to manage your data and to enhance your research. You will be able to ask and view questions others have asked. If you do have a question, please tweet using the hashtags DataHelpDesk and VEGU21. There is also a URL at the bottom right of this slide that you can use to access a form for submitting questions if you would prefer not to go through Twitter. We will also point you to related events happening within the EGU program. One such example is the Great Debate focused on improving research software in geosciences to take place on Thursday, April 22nd. We are pleased to bring important events like this one to your attention. What are the types of questions that you might ask? Some common questions we receive include, where can I find a certain type of data? What is a good repository for a certain type of data? How can I write a good data management plan? And how can I cite a dataset? What does fair mean really? We also increasingly get questions about what to do with large datasets. As long as it relates to earth science data or software, we are happy to do our best to address your questions. Again, tweet your question and include Data Help Desk to tap into our experts. Speaking of the experts, our team of volunteers is from around the world and has many years of experience in informatics and in many scientific domains across the earth sciences. They specialize in a wide range of topics like finding, sharing, analyzing, publishing, and citing data, and more. We also have some software experts available to help as well. Here are some of the organizations and projects that the experts represent, and we are very grateful for all of their contributions. With that, on behalf of all of the organizers, we thank you for watching and look forward to interacting with you throughout the week, April 19th through 23rd, 2021 on Twitter.